Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana continues to be in a correction here. This looks corrective, which is actually quite good because the move down, if that looks corrective, we have a case to make that we will get into this third wave rally. Yeah, at least that we should do. Yeah, not will, but should. As long as the move down looks corrective, that remains the case, especially as long as we're holding support levels. There are a few possibilities how this can be labeled. As I said, for many other coins as well, it's either here a 1-2 setup, and then we rally in a third wave of a third next. So basically here again, a wave 1, 2, and then this would be a third wave of a third rally. We should then get a shallow 4 and a 5 to finish off this yellow third wave. That's one possibility. Starting to doubt that a little bit because some of these are failing, these scenarios for some cryptos. That is the idea for where we would get only a shallow correction, but it would really need to move up now. The other possibility is, of course, that we reset yellow wave 2. Yeah, and that basically creates one large support area all the way down to 51.7 cents. A drop below 51.7 cents will invalidate, or well, basically invalidate the idea of further increases in the short term in the third wave. So we can always reset wave 2 if we come down a little lower into the box, because then we would count this move down as an A wave, a high B wave, and a C wave down, which would then be quite deep. So A wave, B wave, C wave, which is not unlikely. They are both possible. And I can always say, for me personally, if I have a zone where a deeper pullback is expected and one with a more shallow one, I would always trade for the one that has a deeper pullback, because otherwise you risk to be stopped out and get basically chopped up if the price, for example, let's say you set a stop loss below the orange box, price hits the yellow box and starts to rally, and you get stopped out because you traded the orange one, whereas the yellow one is just the one where you can just leave the trade a bit more space. Yeah, you need to position size accordingly, but it is sort of the safer way in terms of trading in crypto when you have this situation that you have basically one large support area. Yeah. Where we don't know, because only the market knows, where we don't know if we get only a shallow correction or a deep one, because the chart structure allows basically for both possibilities. So in the very short term, as long as we're holding 57 cents, this is key support, and we could rally in a third wave of a third. From here, target of that third wave of a third wave rally would be 79 cents, but it would really need to turn up now. Or if we get that deeper pullback in a 1-2 setup, it's the 51.7 cent level that is relevant. Can't really give you a target yet because we are not deep down enough, right, to really give you a target for that third wave. But yeah, as long as we hold generally above 51.7 cents, the focus can be on higher. It's interesting that we've got this descending channel that we adhere to very nicely. It's also when it completed its correction on the 10th of March. We then rallied and we tried to break out, we failed, and it's now sort of consolidating between the support level here in orange and the descending trend line. So it really needs a break above that level, and yeah, good indication, or let's say the very first indication that a low has been made here would be a break above those significant swing highs here. I talk about the 62.3 cent level. That would also allow us to break out of that descending trend channel. But yeah, it really needs to deliver. If it comes down a little bit lower, not a problem. We'll just morph into the larger 1-2 scenario. And yeah, I think we need to be ready for both. It's just that below 51.7 cents, things start to look a bit strange on this chart. And I would start to question the upside potential from here in a third wave. All right, that's my update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.